Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer utilities and leases after acquisition with Zillow Rental Manager. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zillow Rental Manager account. Once logged in, navigate to the Properties section on your dashboard. Select the property you wish to transfer utilities and leases for. Click on the Manage Lease option in the Property Details. Choose Transfer Lease from the drop-down menu. Review the lease information to ensure accuracy. Next, enter the new tenant's details in the provided fields. Confirm the start date for the new lease period. Set up any necessary rental payment options for the new tenant. After entering the necessary information, click Continue to review your changes. Make sure all details are correct in the summary. Once confirmed, click Submit to complete the transfer. To transfer utilities, access the Utilities section under the Property Management page. Follow the prompts to update the utility account information. Input the new tenant's details as required for each utility provider. Confirm all details and submit the changes for each utility transfer. You will receive confirmation notifications for each completed transfer. Finally, ensure all required documents are updated to reflect the new tenant's information. Your utilities and leases are now successfully transferred using Zillow Rental Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.